Hello kiddos and welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. I'm your teacher Miss Hera and today I'm here with a new sound for you. So are you ready to learn something new? Great. But before we learn our today's sound, it's important to revise our previous sounds. So are you in? Let's get started. You can say these sounds yourself or can repeat after me. A, O, I, J, G. A, E, O, D, F, and B. I hope you remember all these sounds very well and the other sounds too. And now it's time for our new sound, and you know that I give you the new sound with the help of our story. So this is our story today. Listen to the story carefully because the sound is hidden in the story. It is Saturday afternoon and Bing has come to play at Mark's house. They start by having a game of ping pong. Then they play with a racing car. Let's see what's on television, says Mark. There might be some motor racing. They put on the television. Look at that man, says Bing. He's a weightlifter, says Mark. Bing and Mark watch the man as he lifts some huge weights. The man grunts as he lifts. He must be strong, says Bing. Let's be weightlifters, says Mark. They use a broom and a mop as weights. As they pretend to lift the heavy weights, they go, just like the weightlifter. Can you pretend to lift some heavy weights like this weightlifter and say, So now if I ask you that what is our today's sound, can you tell me? Yes, this is And when you are making this sound, you need to pretend as if you are lifting heavy weights above your head and say Okay? Excellent. Now let's see how do we write in lines. Put your index finger up in the air. It's very simple. We need to write these two letters that we already know. Go down, come up and round, write and then g. Together they make It's not g, g, g. Don't say the sound it like this. The sound is It should come from your nose. Write and g together, but they make a new sound. It's a digraph. They make the sound right from your nose. Right? So if you are done with this, we are going to try writing this sound in our notebooks or if you have got this paper. Let's get started. Let's write and say the sound after writing it every time. As in a strong, as in a sting, and as in lungs. Right? Remember when you are going to write this sound in lines, so should be in the two blue lines and g should be in the blue and the bottom red line. Finish this paper, pause the video, and once you are done, we are going to check out our next activity, which is circling the right sound. So here you are. Now please listen to the names of the pictures, or if you think you know them, pause the video and do it yourself. The sound is We are trying to find out in these pictures. The first one is king or watermelon. King or watermelon. As in king. You got it? Orange or wings, wings. Here we are. Bread or strong, bread, strong, strong. Sing or wheel, sing or wheel. Sing. Web or ring, ring. And there you go. That was easy peasy, wasn't it? So now it's time to move on to our next worksheet. It's right here. In this worksheet, we need to check the pictures in which we hear and cross out the others, right? So the first picture is of a ring. Do you hear and ring? Yes, we do. This is a bouquet, bouquet, bouquet. No sound. Wing, wings. Correct. Walker, walker, walker. No Sing, sing. We have here. String, string, string. We have here too. And now it's your turn to draw something that has sound in it. I'm going to draw a ring. What would you draw? Pause the video, draw it, and then move to our most important part of the lesson, that is blending time. Let's get started. Say the sound with me, or you can read it yourself. Just mute the video and try reading it. S, e, se, sing, sing. S, o, saw, song. Say it quickly. Song. Law, long. Quickly. Long. K, K, king. Quickly. King. Bang, bang. Quickly. Bang. Kudos, that was too good. Now it's time for segmenting. So let's take out your notebooks, grab your pencils, and let's get started. I'm going to say you a few words, listen to them carefully, put the sound dots first, and then write the letters. Okay? The first word is lung, lung. Put the sound dots first. Lung. Let's write it. Lung. Say it quickly. Lung. And this is correct. Next word is sang, sang. S, a, Let's write it. S, a, sa, sang. Read it. Sang. Quickly. Sang. You got it. Let's try to write the word cling, cling. Sound dots first. K, L, E, kill, cling. Let's write it. K, kill, E, cling. Cling. Let's say it quickly. Cling. There you go. Last word. This is ping pong. Ping pong. Let's sound it out. E, p, ping. O, pong. Ping pong. Let's write it. E, ping pong. O, pong. Ping pong. And we are done. Excellent. Oh, well done. Try to think for some other words that have sound in them and write them down yourself. And if you have finished this thing, you deserve a treat. And in this paper, you need to color in the pictures where you hear the sound. I'm saying the names of these things once. Listen to them carefully and later you can color in them. Swing, cap, sting, jogger, king. Now say the names of these pictures yourself and color in them if you hear the sound. Now here is some homework for you. You need to try writing some words that rhyme with the word sing. Now it can be bing, it can be ding, it can be ming, whatever. You can even make alien words, but they should rhyme with sing, right? But if you're writing an alien word, don't forget to draw an alien after that. Okay, your alien can be of any shape, but there should be an alien after an alien word. Okay? Now, what you have to do in activity? Let's do some exercise and be strong. Right? So, this is your activity. Go do some exercise, jump, skip, enjoy. I'll see you soon with a new sound. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please click the subscribe button. If you like the video, also give me a thumbs up. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.